Okay. First of all, this clinic is for referees, not coach.
Coach,
Okay?
sorry, yes.
Yeah, it's for referees, and it's 4 days clinic. And today we are on our last day, and this 4 days has been great. Great. It means that the participants, young participants, and they are ready to learn, ready to listen. That is a great thing for the instructor. You see. So if you get a team who are ready, are ready to listen to you, understand you, and contribute, okay, that is a great thing. And the clinic has been great.
What aspects of referee?
Yes, we look for the young referees whom we can develop for the further FIBA license. And now from this year we have changed in Africa that will be after these clinics, means level 1 clinic, we will have zonal clinics. So from these clinics, because it's in Zimbabwe, in other parts of the Africa also going on right now, so we'll select if there are more than 5, 10, whatever the number is, we'll select them for the zonal clinic. According to their capability, and then they will go further training, and then they can go for the FIBA license. That will be easier. Yes, as I've said, that we now follow the, let's say, stages. As we are starting with stage 1, this is level 1, and then we will go to zonal. So that is how we'll be selecting the referees. Before it was that the federation had just 1 or 2 sports, and there were number of referees were left out. You see, so they don't get opportunity to officiate in the big games. But now we have changed in Africa, so this is the stage we are following. So more and more referees can get more opportunity to become FIBA referees. You see, and they are catching up very well, because every morning we have, let's say, revision of what we did the previous day, and when we start that class, participants are ready to answer the question. That means that they understood what we previously learned, or what the topic we learned before. You see, so the response and understanding is very good, very good.
Especially the southern part of Africa.
Yeah, southern part of Africa, we have, let's say, Angola, Mozambique. They are always been dominating, you see. But quite number of teams and countries are coming up. They are coming up. Like for example, in last BAL qualification, team from South Africa, team from Zimbabwe, team from Zambia, Matero, I remember Matero, they performed very well. Even Malawi, when I was last here in Harare, where the qualification games were there, they performed very well. The performance was well. So it's coming up. And we have to put more efforts in this thing. That's the only thing.